A phone that doesn't crack, warp, or fade means no yearly upgrade cycle. No fragile beauty that dies in 2 years. It's built to endure. And reportedly, it's the first smartphone ever certified under SpaceX's aerospace structural grade standard. Smartphones today keep getting faster, thinner, and flashier, but weaker where it really matters. The batteries don't last. The glass cracks too easily. And every update seems designed to slow you down or track what you do. Elon Musk doesn't build things that way. Every product he touches, from Tesla cars to SpaceX rockets, follows one rule: independence, durability, and freedom from control. Now, rumors say the Tesla iPhone 2026 brings that same philosophy into the smartphone world. Built not as a gadget, but as a machine, made to last and made to protect its user, not the company behind it. So what kind of phone does that create? Could it finally be the first device that won't die after 2 years? Or one that actually puts you, not Apple, not Google, in control of your data? We'll break it all down in today's video. If you love real engineering talk and want to understand what Musk is really planning next, hit subscribe and ring the bell. Can a phone really survive 20 years? The Tesla iPhone 2026 doesn't use the same soft aluminum shell you find on today's flagships. Instead, its frame is forged from a Titan aluminum matrix composite, a proprietary alloy derived from the 30X stainless and aluminum hybrid used in the Cybertruck's exoskeleton and SpaceX Falcon booster frames. By skipping paint or color coding, Tesla allows the surface to naturally generate a microscopic oxide layer when scratched. That oxidation acts like armor, sealing microfractures and preventing corrosion. According to aerospace engineers familiar with the material, this process lets the metal retain 98% of its tensile integrity after 10,000 scratch abrasion cycles, a feat no commercial smartphone frame has achieved to date, where most aluminum phones begin to soften at around 250 degrees Celsius. The Titan aluminum matrix maintains its rigidity up to 420 degrees Celsius, ensuring the chassis stays stable even under direct heat exposure or rapid cold to hot transitions. What do you think? Comment 1 if you'd trade your iPhone for a Tesla iPhone. Comment 2 if you still trust Apple's ecosystem more. And tell us why in the comments below. We're reading every thought. Can a smartphone battery really last 25 years without fading? Tesla seems determined to prove that battery death, the silent killer of every modern device, can finally be eliminated. The iPhone 2026 introduces a solid-state power cell derived from the same prototype battery packs being tested in the Tesla Model 2. Unlike conventional lithium-ion cells filled with flammable liquid electrolyte, Tesla's design replaces it with a ceramic polymer solid electrolyte, capable of withstanding temperatures up to 350 degrees Celsius without structural breakdown, compared to around 650 watt-hours per liter in current iPhone 17 cells, a 1.6 times increase in stored energy per cubic centimeter. Charging speed borders on unbelievable, but is backed by engineering logic. Using a dual-phase modulated current protocol adapted from Tesla Energy's Powerwall 4 architecture, the iPhone can reach 80% charge in 150 seconds and 100% in just under 5 minutes, drawing a peak input of 180 watts at 98% conversion efficiency. Can a phone really stay online without any signal? Unlike the iPhone 17, which still relies entirely on carrier networks and offers only a limited satellite SOS feature for emergencies, the iPhone integrates direct Starlink satellite connectivity for full, continuous data service anywhere on Earth. At the heart of this system is a 0.8mm ceramic phased array antenna embedded just beneath the Tesla logo. This design gives the device a beam-forming accuracy of 0.2 degrees. In standard testing by Starlink engineers, prototype iPhones demonstrated downlink speeds averaging 35 to 50 megabits per second and uplink speeds around 20 megabits per second. Tesla's model supports real-time voice calls, encrypted messaging, live navigation, and continuous data sync. Can a smartphone truly be private? Unlike the iPhone 17, which still depends on Qualcomm's Snapdragon X70 modem and Apple's cloud-linked Siri processing, Tesla has cut out every third-party dependency. At its core lies the Dojo T1, a compact derivative of Tesla's in-house Dojo AI training chip, redesigned for mobile use, built on a 5-nanometer architecture, and capable of 18 trillion operations per second, running on Tesla OS, a closed-loop operating system forked from Tesla's vehicle firmware. The Pi phone doesn't transmit a single byte of personal data to the cloud. There's no advertising framework, no telemetry logging, and no external API access without explicit user consent. A phone that can't spy because its sensors are literally offline speaks to a deeper engineering truth. Tesla isn't selling privacy as a slogan, it's building it into the hardware. Can a phone really cool itself like an engine? Overheating is the silent killer of modern smartphones, draining performance, aging components, and turning even top-tier flagships into throttled hand warmers. The Tesla Pi phone 2026 takes a page straight out of its automotive lineage, introducing an ultra-thermal cooling system based on the same liquid vapor plate graphene architecture that regulates temperature inside the Model S battery pack. At the core of this design lies a vacuum-sealed vapor chamber connected to a micro-liquid circuit that runs through the phone's titanium aluminum frame. Heat generated by the Dojo T1 CPU and Tesla's onboard GPU cores is instantly transferred into this chamber, where it's spread across graphene capillaries and dissipated evenly through the chassis. The Pi phone's core temperature remains below 35 degrees Celsius, while the iPhone 17 Pro, under similar conditions, often peaks at 46 to 48 degrees Celsius before thermal throttling kicks in. A phone that doesn't overheat, doesn't throttle, and doesn't fail early is one you can actually trust. So, after all 5 features, aerospace-grade metal, 25-year solid-state battery, Starlink connection, hardware privacy, and engine-style cooling, the Tesla Pi phone 2026 sounds less like a phone and more like a survival machine built for the next 2 decades. If you think the Pi phone could really replace the iPhone 17. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you won't miss our next deep dive into what Elon Musk might be secretly building next.